user or as a group. To create a login, let's expand on this on our instance, expand on security and expand login. You right click on login and new login. You must choose the Windows authentication option, and the user must already exist in the Active Directory. So let me see, what do I have in the Active Directory? And then over here, you definitely want to select entire directory. You check, so I have that login. So this is simply what it is, and you say, okay, this is it over here. And to create a user is about the same step. You right click on login this time again, but this time you choose the SQL Server authentication mode. And I'll just create a user and call it user. And I'll give a strong password, which is important as part of security measure. All of this right here, enforcing password policy and all of that, will prompt this user to change password when they log in, so they can be responsible for whatever they do on the server. And that's how to create a user. And in creating a group, once again, creating a group, you need to choose the Windows authentication mode, and the group must exist in the Active Directory. You need to also make sure you check group over here and check the entire directory. For me, I'm going to look for the dev team group in the environment, and yes, there it is. And you say okay. So right here you see the difference. The icon by the group is like a group, and you can see, and this is the user, a user, and this is a login. A login comes with the domain. Okay, so that's that on that. Moving forward, why is implementing